Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Saturday, March 17th, 2001, 8 am. You should not be amazed by our repetitions. They are intentional and necessary to man's understanding. By reverting several times to some topics, man ends up assimilating truths that emerge from our remarks. These repeated returns enable him to be influenced with those truths, even if at the beginning they seem insignificant. To put it in simple terms, they end up touching him in the depths of his being. Why are sacred writings indefinitely read time and again if that repetition was not critical? They are the food needed by spirits for their inner construction. Through our repetitions, we draw the attention of the reader, who, in some cases, ends up becoming aware of a reality which did not even cross his mind. Babuji Maharaj. Sunday, March 18th, 2001, 8 am. Your heart is sincere, my child. Love cannot be explained. It takes root in the depths of the being. In this business, calculations are out of place, only spontaneity matters. Why does one love? How is this powerful and unexplainable appeal created? Nobody knows. Sublimated love, divine love, takes roots in this so sacred place as many, which is the seat of the soul, the chosen place of the divinity. The purest alchemy is worked out in this center from which the most sublime flame gushes out. Who can resist it when it entirely subjugates a being and when its power sweeps through to the sacred heart of man? This powerful wave cancels out any resistance. The human being is carried away and sails on the billows, delighted in this divinity. That love awaits you. Move towards it. Call it from the bottom of your heart. It only waits to appear to you with all its might. It is irresistible. Let your heart sail on the divine billows, completely surrendered to their sublime power. You will reappear to yourself and you will get rid of your gong, so coarse compared to this subtlety. Gang meaning a commercially valueless material in which the ore of the metal is found. Live these exceptional moments intensely, to be lost completely in Him. It is not what the soul longs for, complete union and fusion with the divinity. Meditate well on these remarks and act. Babuji Maharaj.